Curious about the 2025 Chrysler Pacifica's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols really mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up. Interior view. The dashboard has a sleek, functional design with an intuitive layout for easy accessibility. It features durable materials and an ergonomic structure for driver comfort. The Pacifica features a 10.1-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen display, offering intuitive controls and seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This system supports up to 5 user profiles, allowing personalized settings for music, climate, and more. The Pacifica features a 7-inch digital instrument cluster that provides essential driving information, including speed, fuel levels, and navigation prompts. This customizable display enhances the driving experience by allowing drivers to tailor the information to their preferences. The Pacifica offers tri-zone automatic climate control, allowing front and rear passengers to set their preferred temperatures for enhanced comfort. Available features include heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and heated second-row seats, ensuring a comfortable environment for all occupants. The 2025 Chrysler Pacifica offers a 3.6-liter Pentaster 5.6 engine with 287 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, or a hybrid powertrain combining the V6 and electric motors for 260 horsepower and an EPA estimated 82 megaparsecs per gallon. Both engines feature a 9-speed automatic transmission with an optional all-wheel drive on the gasoline version. The Pacifica offers heated front seats as standard, with available heated second-row seats in higher trims. These features enhance passenger comfort during colder weather. It features a heated techno leather-wrapped steering wheel with integrated audio controls, enhancing both comfort and convenience. This design allows for intuitive access to audio settings without removing hands from the wheel. The Pacifica features a rotary gear shifter dial positioned near the stereo volume control, allowing for intuitive gear selection. This design enhances the vehicle's interior aesthetics and frees up space in the center console. The 2025 Chrysler Pacifica offers an available rear seat entertainment system featuring dual 10-inch HD touchscreens mounted on the back of the front seats. These screens support Amazon Fire TV, allowing passengers to stream content, play games, and download Prime Video content on the go. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Airbag warning light, brake warning light, battery charge, warning light, door open, warning light, electric power steering, electronic throttle control, engine coolant temperature, adaptive cruise control, air suspension fault, anti-lock brake system, electric park brake, electronic stability control, electronic stability control off, fuel level sensor failure, low fuel warning, low washer fluid, malfunction indicator light, rear axle locker fault, Service forward collision, service stop start. Service 4WD, tire pressure monitoring. Air suspension ride, height lowering. Cargo light on indicator. Forward collision warning. Air suspension ride height raising. Neutral indicator, entry or exit indicator. 4WD indicator, 4WD high indicator. 4WD low, four-wheel drive auto adaptive cruise control set with target adaptive cruise control. Set with no target ECO mode. Front fog indicator. Headlights on indicator. Turn signal indicator. Cruise control set. Stop start active. Cruise control ready. High beam indicator light. Hybrid electric vehicle system service, warning light. Limp home mode, warning light. Plug status, fault warning light. Max regeneration indicator light. Set speed display indicator light. Ready to drive indicator light.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2 scanner for diagnostics.
General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.